Shaila Esquillo from Cosmo Vibe Tribe, and for today's video, I am going to show you how I do my Glowy MORENA makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. And that's it for today's video. I had fun creating this look, and if you enjoyed it too, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Cosmopolitan Philippines YouTube channel. Also, follow my Instagram account at Esquillo Shaila. See ya!